Hey, Rob Nelson here at the U.S. National Whitewater Center, and I'm going to show you how to roll a kayak. Alright, so most people that you see rolling kayaks will probably be doing it in some sort of plastic boat, either a big ocean kayak or some sort of small play boat. But I'm going to show you guys how to roll in this Olympic regulation slalom kayak. It's hard, it's fiberglass carbon mix, but it doesn't really matter because you roll the same no matter what boat you're in. And I'm actually preparing for the U.S. team trials. Now, rolling a kayak is actually a really simple process, but I know when you're learning, it can feel really, really difficult. And there's a few different ways to learn. I'm going to show you my way.
Now, the first thing to understand is that there are multiple ways to get up. When most people teach rolling, they either teach the C to C or the sweep roll. But you can also do rolls like this. That's a back deck roll. Now, I think the easiest to teach is the sweep roll, so that's what I'm going to show you right now. First, setup. That means getting your hands and paddle out of the water on the side of the boat. You want to reach as far as you can to the side of the boat. Then you're going to sweep the paddle out to the side and down in a big arc. Just make sure that the paddle is in a climbing angle, and that will keep it close to the surface. As you're doing this arc, you'll want to do a nice hip snap, causing the boat to come up first, then your body, then your head, then the hand and paddle. Do you see how that works? Let's watch again. First the boat, then the body, then your head, hand, and paddle. Now here are some common mistakes. I think the biggest mistake beginners make is trying to bring their head up first. It's really difficult to roll your kayak with your center of gravity is shifted up like this. Another common mistake is to pull the paddle straight down instead of sweeping it out. Or the learner might sweep the paddle under and across the body. And of course you can see the problems that creates.
So that was obviously a very fast demonstration of how to roll a kayak. I highly recommend finding either an instructor or a paddle group near you to help get you started. So good luck, and maybe I'll see you out there on the water one day.